Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain how to check laptop battery health in Windows. So let's start. So first of all, open your command prompt. So search for CMD and open your command prompt in administrator mode. Once you open your command prompt, then you need to type a command power cfg space / battery report and press enter. Once you press enter, here you can see the message battery life report saved to this path. So copy this path. Once you copy this path, open your browser. Once you open your browser, then paste the URL and press enter. And here you can see the battery report. So in this report, you need to check for the two values. One is the full charge capacity and another one is the design capacity. Using these two values, we are going to calculate the battery's health. So first of all, open your calculator. Once you open your calculator, then you need to copy this full charge capacity. Now the formula is simple. The full charge capacity divided by design capacity into 100. So first of all, I'm copying this full charge capacity. I'm pasting it, then divided by design capacity. So copy this value, paste here, equal to into 100. And over here you can see my battery health is 81.80, which is around 82%. So in this way we can calculate the battery's health. If this battery's health is less than 70%, and even if with the charging, if your battery is dying faster, then it's time to replace your battery. So in this way we can check battery's health in Windows. That's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel how to. Thanks a lot.